my elbow on the thing. Woo! Well, what's going on, guys? Oh, damn, that hurt. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, you guys want me to rip apart this CP4. So, got the tools we're gonna be needing. Let's just take this thing apart, see what it looks like inside, what fails. I'm not saying this is bad or anything failed, but let's just see what it looks like and if we see any scoring in the metal and show you guys how exactly this works. Now, I've never even taken one of these apart yet, but I'm gonna just start unbolting stuff and see what happens. Okay, guys, so first things first is I'm gonna just, I guess there's no real way to pull this thing apart. So we're gonna just pull these screws out right here. I already loosened them up. I don't seem like it's the right size. There we go. All right. Oh, we're leaking diesel everywhere. We're leaking diesel everywhere over here, folks. Okay, so let's pull these off and see. Well, number one, and this might be, I think you got to pull the back off also, but I'm not sure. But I'm gonna just pull all these out, and we're gonna see what's going on there. I don't think nothing's gonna happen there, but we'll see what happens. And a lot of you guys ask me, Eddie, you know, how's the truck? Do you like it? Is it way more power? Does it hull butt? So guys, I didn't really do the CP3 conversion to hull butt or to give me more power or, you know, to turn this truck into like a race truck, which I am going to pump some ponies in there, some horsepower in it eventually. But the main reason why I did the CP3 conversion, just mainly reliability. So what I am hoping for, and this is what I'm hoping for, is I'm tired of buying, you know, new trucks. And when I say that, tired of buying new trucks, is like all these brand new trucks. Number one, because you're sort of, you know, like the guinea pig. So whatever they're gonna make, you know, or whatever they are making, they give it to you to either try out, or it doesn't work, and pretty much you tell them, hey, this doesn't work. And you're waiting and waiting and waiting for parts. Like for my example, I would love to re-gear my truck, but they don't have no gears out for it yet, you know, and I've had my truck for over a year now and still am waiting. And the whole going back to why I, oh, what do we got here? Oh, we got some gears. All right, hold on. But the whole reason why I went with the CP3, guys, mainly is for durability. These CP4s are not durable, as we know. They are known to fail. Now, I'm sure there's people out there that are like, well, you know what, Eddie, I've had mine for so-and-so, it's never failed. You know what, I'm sure you have. You know, not saying your CP4 is guaranteed to fail, but I just don't want to deal with it, basically. I'd rather have a pump that I know has been proven that works, that, you know, a lot of people don't have issues with it, that lasts forever. And what I'm hoping for is not have to buy another truck anytime soon. I'm hoping to keep this one for an extremely long time because, you know, these old trucks are so reliable. And that's why I want to get a 5.9 Cummins. You know, they're so reliable, those trucks, and there's nothing on it. You know, everything is just so easy. So that's why this one, I want to make it reliable and hopefully not have to worry about, you know, messing with it and dealing with stuff like this and just pretty much be done. But it looks like here, guys, well, we just got some gears right here, and we have a little O-ring here that slips on here. So that's about it on that portion of this pump. But let's see, you know what I want to do? I want to pull this FCA out. Oh, we got diesel fuel puking out of this thing. Uh-oh. Okay, so now that we got all the diesel fuel out of it, we're gonna put everything back over here so we don't lose nothing, keep it in order. And, well, let's see what we can start taking apart over here. You know what I want to do? I want to pull this FCA out. So, a lot of people, you know, are saying these things fail a lot. Let's just pull this thing out and see, you know, what's going on with it here. I don't know. Again, I'm not saying this one did fail. Nothing wrong with it. But let's just see if, you know, for, I don't know, shits and giggles, if there's any metal in this thing or anything that looks like it's gonna fail. But again, I never had any issues with this pump, guys. You know, it wasn't like I was losing power or anything like that. I just want to, this is just for an experiment, that's it. All right, let's see what we got going on over here. Come on. Oh, there we go. Got some diesel fuel. Okay, so I see no metal shavings in here. looks pretty cool. Look at that, a little indentation, like something hit it or something. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's camera focus here. You guys see that right there? Like something hit it maybe, or no? I wonder if they just dropped it off the assembly line. I don't know. What do you guys think that is right there? It's supposed to look like that, but this thing got hit, punctured. I don't know. That's weird. But I don't see any metal. What is this? So there's some debris. I don't know what that is. I don't see any metal though. Everything looks really clean on it. You don't feel no metal. I don't know what the heck this is though. There's some crap in it. What is this? I don't know what this is. Like, it's like I don't know. It feels like a jelly, whatever this little tiny thing is. I'm not sure what that is, but I don't know. It feels weird. But here's the inside. Let's pull this diesel out. Let me dry it up. No metal. Looks very clean in here. Oh, look at that. Clean as a whistle. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. So no metal shavings. Nothing wrong with this pump. All right, let's continue to pull this bad boy apart. You know what I would do? I want to pull the top of these. So I think, I could be wrong. I think in here is the shaft and the roller. So let's pull this thing apart. And let's see what we got going on over here. And again, guys, real quick, so for you guys that do have these 19 Cummins, 19 or 20 Cummins with the CP4, one of my subscribers, if you're watching this, thank you, told me about this. This is going to either help you guys or make you guys upset, one of the two. For you guys that have these 19 Cummins, if you have, you guys see right here, let me get this camera to focus. So you see these 6 dots? So if you have 6 dots, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, anything like this, that means you have the old style CP4 pump. Now if you have the big, just one fat dot, one fat dimple, that means you have the new updated CP4 pump. So everybody with a 19 probably has the old style pump, maybe, I don't know. But it looks like I, according to this, have the old style pump, the one that is prone and known to fail. So just a little, food for thought for you guys there, if you're wondering if you have an old style or a new style pump. All right, guys, now let's pop these black caps off. Oh, let's break these black caps off. Well, luckily we're not going to be using this. So I don't know if this is like a one-time use when these things go bad, and I don't see any other way of taking it off. There's some Allens. Okay. Let's see what else we got over here. We got more plastic. Here's my little handy dandy pry bar here. And maybe, oh, there we go. Okay. So they do pop off. Just don't do it like that. Luckily we're not putting this pump back in. Alright, let's try it with this one now. And another thing, guys, just remember, no, I'm not reusing this. And if you're wondering why wouldn't you sell it, I don't know who the hell would want a CP4 pump to buy, honestly. If you're replacing your pump already with a CP4, it's going to be under warranty and the dealer is going to cover it for you. Or, you're taking your CP4 out to put a CP3 in it. I don't know why anybody would want to have something wrong with their CP4 and put another CP4 back in. So that's why I am not, worried about if this black cap breaks or anything like that, because nobody's gonna buy it. This one's a little difficult. We're gonna try to take it off without breaking it. I think it just looks better on camera if I'm not sitting here and just breaking stuff. Hey, there we go. Okay. So we got one cap off without breaking it. You listen, some desert sand in there. But let's go. Let's take this puppy off here and see what it looks like in here. And I'll explain to you guys what I've read and researched and have heard, what problems occur with these CP4s. This is just from all the research that I've done on this CP4. Is the roller that we're about to pull out is pretty much, it goes metal on metal. And what happens is if you get any water, dirt, grime, anything like that in there, and you score it just a little bit, it's pretty much done. According to everything, again, that I have read, it's pretty much a goner. There's no coming back. And also I have heard that the roller inside can sometimes spin completely, where now it's not even, it's rolling on metal, but the roller has completely spun around and you're still driving it, not really realizing it, and it's starting to pretty much score the metal, and you're just destroying it while driving. But I mean, I guess it's hard to tell because you don't know what's going on in here. So, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about and what I have read. All right, we're on. Now it feels like there's a spring in here also, because you see all these are popping up and there's some tension on this one. So I'm gonna hold my hand over it just like this in case it, I don't know how much tension this thing has, in case it comes flying out. Or okay, I think we got them all loose. Nope, we don't. Oh, there we go. It just popped off. Just felt it. So let's see what we got. Ooh, baby, we got a spring. And take these out. We got a little O-ring right there. Put these right over here to the side. All right, and this is pretty fancy. It's amazing. Oh, I'm guessing. Oh, there you go. Okay, so that comes out like that. Got some diesel fuel leaking, and I guess I just want to put it back together. It pops in like this. Sounds like there's a little like rubber. Yeah, so there's like a little rubber something in there just to help this thing stay. You can hear it. That little pink. All right, pull this out. Put that there. Put that there. Move this over here. So, I guess that's the head. If you guys want to know what that looks like, and then I'll show you the inside of this real quick. Looks like, I don't know if that's rust. Looks like there's like some rust. Oh, it's coming off. Okay. That came off. Looked like there was like rust in there. But that's what the inside of a, or yeah, if you want to call it a CP4 looks like. But still gonna take it apart some more and get down to the nitty gritty. Figure out a way to pull this shaft apart here. And this part's actually spinning, or it was spinning. Oh yeah, this part spins right here. Oh, this whole, oh, there we go. Found something. So it looks like here's a little sleeve. Ooh, there it is. Ah, okay. Oh shoot, so check this out. What? That's ridiculous. Okay, so check this out, guys. Let me, hold on. Let me zoom in for you here. So here's, and I'm gonna pull this out for you also, but let me just, I wanna show you something. I wanna show you how crazy this design is, how they won't even protect this. So you see this little roller right here? See this thing? So this right here rolls on this roller right in here. You guys see that in there? So this has to roll on it just like this. Well, here's the crazy thing, and here's another thing that I read also. So this thing, you see that? There's nothing from stopping this thing of turning. So going from like this to like this and rolling the wrong way, where this only rolls this way. It can't roll, if it's like this, can't roll. You guys get my drift, catch my drift, what I'm saying? I'm gonna pull this out and explain to you more and show you a little more clearly, but that is insane how there's nothing stopping this thing from pretty much spinning and going the wrong way. All right, so unfortunately guys, I don't have the puller for this. I tried to grab them, but it's not, I guess so. I read that, and I could be wrong, but what I've read so far is there's an actual special puller for this CP4 where it actually screws onto the shaft right here, and pulls this thing out. That puller I don't have. I'm going to look for one. I tried finding it, I couldn't find it. So unfortunately, I cannot take this thing out for you guys, but so pretty much how it works, like I said, this goes in there, you know, sits there and rolls on that cam in there. And you know, the scary thing is this is not clocked. So this roller can go from here and it can just spin like this and start scoring it. And pretty much this pump is done and destroyed. And for you guys telling me, Eddie, where in the heck did you get your Westinghouse 4500? It's sold out everywhere. I cannot find it. I got mine from Home Depot, guys, but we just got a bunch of these in at Napa. This is the BE 3500. We're gonna try it out. It's very, very quiet. It's got a 30 amp plug on it. It's got 4 wheels. It's got your digital, your screen to tell you hours, a voltage, amperage. You know, it's got pretty much everything like the Westinghouse on it. I don't, you know, see why this shouldn't work. This thing's pretty nice. It looks like it will, I mean, shit, if you got a toy hauler, this thing will run your toy hauler no problem. You got plenty of power in this thing. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.